Oh my gosh guys, merong nag-try namang scam sa akin via phone call. Nagpapanggap na bank agent. Nirecord ko yung video actually kasi sabi ko sa kanya, i-call back niya ako eh. Kasi nga, medyo natunugan ko ng scammer siya. So ito, piplay ko after this. But anyway, ang pinapalabas niya is that taga-bangko siya and then bibigyan niya daw ako ng 5K na GC at saka i-waive nila yung annual fee ko dun sa credit card ko. So ito yung recorded video, i-play ko. Hello?
Good morning, Isabella. This is from my name is Mike Santos. As I mentioned earlier, I'm calling to inform you that you're eligible for a credit card with the annual fee for life and gift certificates worth 5,000 pesos.
Opo, sir. Good morning. Sorry, busy kasi ako kanina eh. Tapos paano pala ako naging eligible nga dyan sa promo nyo?
This is exclusive offer for credit card holders with good credit standing. Isabella, please confirm this call is being recorded and personal information may be asked for verification.
Okay po, sige po.
So let's start. I believe I'm speaking with Ms. Bea Laderas, correct?
Yes, tama po.
I will now take your credit card details, then please verify if these are correct. So please have your credit card ready with you para you can cross-check it.
Okay, opo, nandito yung card.
Ms. Bea, please do not entertain calls from people who say that they are from the bank pero hindi naman kaya provide yung complete credit card details mo.
Okay po. Yes, sige po.
Okay, so here's your credit card number. Please 23449812. Tama po ba, Ms. Bea?
Yes, correct po.
Thank you for your information, Ms. Bea. To further verify your account, is the card expiry made December 2026?
Yes, December 2026.
So that is so far, nagmamalas ka ng credit card sa area and to complete the processing, kailangan mo lang kung pangilan dalawang nabigyan ng card na yan in your area. So if you do not do this, you can check the back of your credit card. There's an 8-digit number indicating this. Please dictate the 3-digit number from your card.
So yun ba yung purpose nun? Kung pang ilan ako nabigyan? Ganun ba yun?
Ano ito, sir? 8-digit na back of your credit card.
Kung hindi ko ibibigay sir yung 3 digits, wala akong free annual fee tsaka nung 5K GC.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, ano po? 173.
Thank you, Ms. Bea. Let me process this quickly and wait for the text confirmation. Once you receive it, let me know if nakuha nila yung 6-digit number.
Okay sir, pero sure ka bang may makukuha ako? Eh, fake naman yung binigay ko sa'yo. Hindi naman tama yun eh. O ano na? Oo, hindi naman yung totoo eh. So, ano, scammer ka kuya, wag mo ako kinaano dyan. Ay, binabaan ako ni sir. Kakaloka, yun daw 3 digits, yun daw yung kung pang ilan akong binigyan dito sa area namin. FYI, yung 3-digit code sa likod ng credit card, also known as the CVV or CVC, is actually an added security feature of our credit card para sa mga online transactions natin. Hinihingi ito every time na meron kayong online purchase so that mas makakasigurado na ikaw talaga, yung card owner, yung gumagawa ng transaction na yun. So guys, let's be vigilant sa mga ganitong phone call. Huwag tayong magpapabudol sa mga scammer na gumagamit ng kung ano-anong promo to attract us para ibigay natin sa kanila yung mga personal details natin, especially yung card number, yung expiry date, yung CVV or yung 3 digits sa likod ng credit card, tsaka yung OTP or one-time password. Yung mga totoong bank agents will never ask for these credit card information. And nasabi ko na rin tong advice na to before, make sure na kapag merong mga OTP or one-time password, we read the message in full para nalalaman natin at aware tayo kung para saan ba yung code, tama ba, totoo ba yung transaction, magkano ba yung amount, ano bang purpose. And mas maganda if you can call the bank to inform them of this situation so that they can block the card ASAP and mapalitan din. I also suggest na tawagan nyo yung telco to report the mobile number ng scammer or ng fraudster para makaiwas na rin na makapambiktima pa siya ng ibang tao.